when you do good, when you stand up for certain things and you see it unfold and you see things play out and you say, yeah man, you see it? The people that must stand up for wickedness and evil and wrongs and criminality and all of these things, watch them a crumble. Watch them trying to put but before everything. Because them know so once you put but before anything, it's stink, you know. If you're gonna if you're gonna justify someone's action or actions and you're gonna put but, oh, me know say him wrong, but from you put a but, it stink. You understand what I say? So all of the but people them, you watch them start crumble. You understand what I'm saying? As more information come forward, them start tell you, hear them now? Why you still talk about this? We don't want to hear nothing about it. You know why? Because the story is no longer going their way. The thing not going their way anymore, for them keep dragging down the person where them did try drag down. So when them realize say, them a look shameful, when them realize that them a look stupid, when them realize that nothing that they're saying not making any sense, them start tell you, why you still talk about that? Me no want to hear nothing about that. Leave it alone. Not caring how the individual that was possibly a victim in the situation feels. Same thing. When them realize that them nasty Christian brother molest the little boy in New York and come to Jamaica according to the youth, start molesting from him at 11 and still a go in a bush with little boy a keep church. Yeah? When them realize say that happened, hear them come on for the man name. Me no want to hear nothing about it. You know why? Because them realize say them have to support something where them know say it wrong. Them know say it wrong, but the only way them can continue to support it is what? Them only can support it. Why? Eh? Why them all them can support it? Eh? Them can support it if them say you stop talking about it. So them go like say, oh, you stop talking now, them can run in and show all of them appreciation and show all of them charitable ways and show all of them buying tickets and buying this and buying that and showing up for plays, not remembering that, yo, somebody was a victim in this situation, you know. They don't care about that. So when you know say you're a real man or a real woman and you know say you did stand up on the right side, how it feels if you know say you did right. How it feels to know say you stand up for your youth, you stand up for your little boy, you stand up for your little girl. You know how good that feel? You know how good that feel, brethren? If you know say you go to your bed and you know say, yo, at least me know say me a fight for children, me know me a fight for victims, me know me a fight for rights. That feels good, brethren. That means say you are. You know walk up and worry about that, you know. You not worry about leaving that earth, you know. You not worry about people that go do something, you know. So who want to do something, make them do it. Because one thing you know say your soul clean. Your heart clean. You see what I say? Whether you want to believe in a God, Jesus, whatever you want to believe in, the greatest part of it is you know say, yo, your heart clean. Your soul clean. Your journey well put together, sort out. You walk on the road to salvation or the road of salvation, whatever you want to call it. You know them things there. And then what? When you keep on doing good, trust me, your reward must come in. Your reward have to come. No matter the bag of nice, no matter the bag of wrongdoers, them will follow the wagon, will jump on the wagon and want to rise against you. Your reward must come and they must be abased. They must shame. Because you see the people when they put on pedestal, them always bring them down. The people when they glorify, even when them know say wrongs them are dealing now. Even when them know say them are dealing with folly, even when them know say them are dealing with evilness, even when them know say them are rapists and pedophile, them must crumble. It's just when, it's not if, it's when. You see? Them must shame. Them because you go now. You see, once you're a criminal and you decide say you want to be a criminal under Sykes, or you want to be a criminal under false pretense, rotted. Your criminality way is not changing. You know? Your criminality way is not changing. Remember that. So it's just a matter of time before you carry out your activities and shame the people who stand up with you. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. No matter how them put you on pedestal, no matter how them glorify you. It's just a matter of time. You understand what I say? So if you're a rapist and them protect you as a rapist, trust me, it's just a matter of time. You see? Just a matter of time for you to show your true self because you have the ideal self and the real self. It's just a matter of time before the real self step forward and say, here I am. And the whole of them are going to shame. And when them shame, hear them now. Why you still talk about that? Me no want you nothing about that. Me tired right now. Well, let me have news for you. We not stop rub goodness in our face. We not stop stand up for truth. And that me I tell you now. If it takes us every day to come and highlight evilness or evil in the face of bias, in the face of wagoness, we don't give a shit. We still are going to do it. Or when you're tired of it, we still rub it in your face. We rub it in your face until you want. We rub it in your face until you vomit. Yeah. And them way them want to deal with goodness. So you can follow me all the days of my damn life. So me want to deal with goodness. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. Remember that. You see what I say? Because every day me I deal with goodness. Every day. So when I do no wickedness, I want to think that people are trying to bring you down. No. I who no want to stay up on top with no wickedness. So when I think that people are bringing you down. You want to do wickedness and want to do evil and want to do all kind of manner of thing and that about people are bringing you down. You idiot? No. No. Right? And you will feel good to me. I'm going to mention this. You see? They may know I'm tired of it, but I'm going to mention something to you now. Let me tell you what feel good to me. If you know, say, I know me alone feel so. If you know, say, I know me alone feel good. If you know, say, there are others who feel good too. If you know, say, yo, me stand up for truth. Me stand up for rights. Me stand up for justice. Me stand up against wicked people, evil people, nasty people, dirty people, warmonger. Me stand up against them people. You know that feel good? I mean, I don't feel so. And there are many, and trust me, this week me may have hope in a humanity. For sometimes you lose hope, you know. This week, with what happened to Chris Rock, it let me have hope in humanity. Because I see some great people and I'm just glad to be alive to see it. Because sometimes we cuss and we get frustrated and we say, yo, we don't like people, and yo, black people condemn, and black people this and black people that, and we burn up black people and we generalize and we group everybody together. But you see that week, yeah? Me learn some valid lessons. Me learn some valid lessons from a social circle when me in a little social circle. Me learn some lessons from it. Me learn some things from you were up on a page because me soon me read the comments them and me soon. And me see say we are decent people. Me see it. Me see it from the get-go. Me no see it when new information come out and wanna start changing them out. Me see it from the get-go, so we are decent people. We can identify wrongs, and we can identify when something is right. I'm lucky to be alive to see it. I'm lucky to be alive to see a man like Steve Harvey stand up with Chris Rock. Me feel good. If you know says a man that, and a man stand up with our next brother and say, yo, you're wrong for put your hand on the man's face. Me lucky to be alive to see some great people like Judge Joe Mattis and them people there. Judge Joe Brown, sorry. Zine? Me lucky to be alive to see me see some like Shannon Sharp them. Me lucky to be alive to see them people there publicly denounce the behavior of that little man there. Because I'm just a little man. I'm small. I'm very small. I'm just a little man. Me lucky to be alive to see it. Me see great people. Me see Jim Carrey them. Me lucky to be alive to see that, brethren. Me have hope. Me have hope. Me used to just think say, yo, all is lost. But yo, listen me, man. Some good people dep on the earth, ya people. We just have to identify them. Real people there here. And you know what put the icing on the cake for me, people. You know what put the icing on the cake for me. I tell you say I water come on me eye, I'm not even dead there. This is when me I listen back to the feedback them. And me I read the reports them. And me I listen to the audio from Chris Rock comedy show. The first comedy show. And the people them I give the man a standing ovation. And when when the people them stop clap and sit down, and sat down, the people them get up and clap again. I make him know, say, listen to me. You're a human being. You're a gentleman. You run your joke them, that are your job, you give jokes, but you are a class act. Is you right now, right now, is you supposed to be the face of everything that represents good for the black race. Because you teach with a valid lesson. You teach we say, we don't have to brawl it out. I just appreciate all the people them. Me say, I was always a fan of Chris Rock. I was a fan of Little Man. Of the little boy. I was a fan of the little boy. You see? But me can't even watch even this thing where me can't even watch it. When me see it and when me trying to watch people and listen to them analysis of it, I me skip past it. Me skip past it. Because I'm not even interested for watching it. I don't want to watch a little boy there until him grew up. That little boy there. When him grew up, maybe me can get back to that point there. When me used to see him as a man. You understand? But me feel good to be alive. If you know say, yo, people actually, there are people who identified. You see what me I say? People will really look and say, Chris Rock is a gentleman. And him daughters, them have everything to be proud of. Trust me. Them are the type of role model that we need as black people. If you know say, yo, we not have to brawl out everything, you know. We not have to retaliate back with violence, you know. We not have to fight fire with fire, you know. We can be the bigger person at times. Me see Fat Joe. Fat Joe say, yo, you know I'm a gangster. But if it were me, I would not have retaliated either. Me feel good in a mankind for know say a man like Fat Joe. We could have get him thugs them for shoot up the whole place. Say that. You see? It teach me say, listen. A man can have temperance. Your woman can box you. And you walk away, you know. And that it teach me, you know. It teach me say your woman can box you. She can punch you. She can kick you. And you just walk away. You shake your head. And walk away. But that me learn from it, you know. So that the whole thing, because some things have to happen for really make you know say, yo, where we are as a people. And trust me, I have hope in a mankind people. Because I see the true people them. I see some real people. I see the germs them. Even when them dress up in a sheep clothing. Like Ayanla them. Or Iyanla, whatever she want name. And like Tiffany Haddish them and Nicki Minaj them. I see the wolf them in a sheep clothing where it's about poisonous to the black race. Poisonous. Me see the poison them. Me identify and know say, yo, yeah. And them are the poison for black people. Them poisonous. You see? Me see some decent human being. I'm proud. I feel good. And that me learn from this. I'm not every day it show up on my feed. And me see brother Chris getting a slap in them face. Me not gonna look upon it as humiliating. Me gonna look upon it as, yo, me learn from this, you know. This introduced me to some people that are decent human beings. That's what happening, you know. And some women that are decent women. Decent women. Black, white, and indifference. That it teach me. You see what I say? That it teach me. So I see some people, like when me even talk about it and people, I see my video circulated. And I said so, and you don't know, we are traveling I read some of the comments and I see people bring up, oh, why you never did do whatever when you catch a baby mother asleep with somebody else? I'm like, for real? There's nothing anybody can say or do to make me approach the situation any differently in terms of violence. You see? Nothing. Yes, listen me. The way me grow from that. The way me grow from that. The way me learn from that, people. The way me would have never put my hand on a woman. From me go through that and realize, say, yo, there are other ways to overcome. You will never get that victory there. You not go get. If you come listen to no voice note. If you hear me did a threaten, say me I go kill her and then kill her. No woman, nothing. If she don't want me no more, the door is wide open. If she want another man, the door is wide open. You see what I say? You not go get that privilege there. You will never keep dreaming. Keep dreaming. Keep waiting. Anticipating. That a one victory where you get the champion there are going to stay upon the ice. Because you not go get to listen back to no voice note or read no vlog or go watch your favorite vlog of them. A report say me beat up no woman, kick down no woman, kill no woman, stab no woman, whatever no man, fight no man, kick down no man, box down no man, war with no man over no relationship. That's one thing you not go get. So me understand say that's what you did want. Me understand say you did want something to talk about. But that woman, like the whole of we have flaws. Nobody not perfect. I'm sure say she grew from it too. Me grow from it. Me sure say she grow from it too. Me sure say whatever mistake people make in life, them can grow from it. Even the little boy can grow from what him do to Brother Chris. But he must be willing to accept responsibility. Not give him a stupid half-heartedly apology with a but. Any you give an apology with a but, you don't really want to give the apology. Go take it and whatever. See? So me, you will never get that. You will never ever get that victory there. If you say, oh, you not go get to go up on your vloggers page, YouTube channel, whatever, and see say me in a jail, or me commit murder, suicide, or me beat up a woman, or me rape a child, and you can show evidence of me rape, you not go ever get that victory there. You go tired to see me, and you not go want to see me for you stand up for truth, and I stand up for rights, and I stand up for justice. You go say, me don't want to see him no more. Yeah, because me know what you want to see. And what you want to see, me not give you. You not go can get that. So if you think say you are insult me when you bring up about me should have did do what at that me should have, why me never do that to man or woman in my situation. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? So me that grow from it. Or me that learn from it. If me do something stupid, or me that learn from it. Me sure say you wouldn't come serve 2 days out of my sentence if me do something and go to prison. Me sure say when me a beard and if I watch round and I look round and I look, me know say if one of the thick man them in the prison eyes me, you not go come protect me. So me forget that victory there. When some man in a prison I lift weights and now have no hopes to come back a road. Them now have no hopes to come back a road, and me if give you that victory there. Me if make because you only access you have to me is to write something on a chat or in a comment. You have no other power. And that is not it. The only power you have are your phone something or your little text something. And if me not see it, it's powerless. And if me see it, it make me a better person. Because it make me feel good as a human being. It make me know say, yo, I am a fucking man. You see what I say? It make me feel good. When me see people say them something, then me say, yes. Yes. Because you know what the story could have been? The story could have been, yo, him drop the soap. The story could have been, yo, him shouldn't drop the soap. You see what I say? Or could have been, him used to be here. So if it make you feel like, say, or why you think say you have any form of effect on me or impact on me, my life? Never. So me just want to big up the people them who are real people. Listen me. Just keep being good here, man. Keep being decent. Keep being good. And when you see evil, you can identify it. When you see wickedness, you can identify it. When you see wrongs, you can identify it. Trust me. You see what I say? Keep being good, man. Do good, brethren. But watch the crowd and watch who they must support. Because you know in your heart and soul. You know in your heart and soul. You see? So where you do right. You know you feel it. You feel it. It's like this week. This week a sister sent me a voice note. Right? I'm share it with Imhotep and a sister. Then and the sister said, listen to me. You know, so me feel so shame. If you know, so me go against you and did all support something when me know so did wrong. And me can't even sleep. Me feel so bad. Me feel, yo, me can't deal with it. Me say, sister, the whole I will live and learn, man. Go your way and sin no more. The whole I will live and learn. You know when you do wrongs, you feel it in you. And you know when you do right, it feels so damn good. You see? So big up on yourself now Friday evening, yeah? Happy Friday. Love somebody and make somebody love you back. You see? And trust me, the message you need to start when your children or anybody in your family see what happened to Chris Rock. Don't make them look at the box where Chris Rock get. Make them look at how he reacted. And you will understand how we can be better as a people. That are the message, you know. How we can be better as a people. Me not say if a man come with a gun or if a man come with a knife to stab you, if you stand up and make him stab you. You see what I say? But weigh your situation. Analyze the situation. You see? And maintain integrity. That are the key. Maintain integrity. You see? That are the key, man. And trust me, ladies, all of the man them want to see out there and the woman them want to see out there at support whatever happened to a brother. Be careful of those people in your circle. Sometimes you're in your circle and you're not reach where you want to reach. Some things just not go your way. You see? Something just not manifest. There are some people in your circle where you need to clean from your circle. Them come like you see life is like arteries, you know. It's like if it block up, if it clog up, your body can't function properly. You have to cut some people out of your circle. You don't have to announce it, you know. You don't have to announce it. You just cut some people from out of your circle. Them I wonder how them not hear from you. Just notice, because we're in our social media era, we're in our digital era, where you can see these people and you know these people. So you know the hooligans them. You see? Them say oil and water can't mix, and if two cannot agree, them not for walk. If two people cannot agree, then say them not for walk, you know. Cause of confusion that. Chaos that. You see? So sometimes you have to just turn a new leaf and clean out your circle. You see? Get rid of some people. Scale down your thing. Scale down your thing and see how you feel free. Don't be that house with furniture and everything pack up everywhere and clothes pack up everywhere. Clean out the house and dash with some of the old things and see how the house feel light. The house feel fresh. The house feel clean. You understand me I say? Big up on yourself. Out of here.